Hey guys, finally Apple first foldable iPad could be arrive in later 2024. Yes, foldable iPhone now in intensive development could be announced as soon as next year. Supply chain source report that Apple is working with supplier to develop a foldable iPhone. A small scale production could be beginning as early as the end of 2024. This suggests that Apple may be announced this product in later 2024 or early 2025 analysis. Apple has apparently been working on foldable product for 4 years and continuously made design changes in this time, planning to release a foldable iPad before working on a foldable phone. Apple chose to focus on the iPad because it makes up a comparatively small portion of the company's sales, meaning that potential issues are easy to manage and less impactful. According to sources, Apple is talking with Samsung Display and LG Display for panel supply regarding foldable product. We saw the first foldable Android phone back in 2019. So let's see what happened after 5 years later foldable device. So this is everything we know about the Apple first foldable iPad. If you found this video informative, please like and share and sub the channel for more content like this as always. And I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.